Okay guys, let us go through this one. Welcome back to my channel. This is a quick reaction and update, breaking news as the time of recording this video. We are now hearing the activities of Biafran government in exile in international community, trying or working hard to bring Biafran to the limelight in the news of different countries of the world. And they decided to start with Finland, where PM is and who claimed that investigating and interrogating PM in certain allegation from mushroom group that claim PM is their problem, but time will tell. So without wasting much of your time, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Breaking: the United States of Biafra government, through its Foreign Affairs Department, has officially notified the Finnish government of the declaration of the restoration of the 1967 independence of the Republic of Biafra through the Finnish Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Finnish Foreign Ministry has confirmed the receipt of this official communication, which boldly highlights the Prime Minister, His Royal Highness Simon Ekpa, as the head of the sovereign state of USB, United States of Biafra. This official communication is the first step towards our diplomatic approach with foreign nations, and United States of Biafra government will continue to update our citizens in the coming weeks on other communications and activities with the world government and organization. United States USB, United States of Biafra Director General for Foreign Affairs, Honorable Ada Ezne. So this is what we are hearing. When you face your camera when you are eating hamburger, anybody can go to places and do that. That is not what lobby is known for. And I saw some video that I would like to play. Hopefully it's not gonna bring issue on this video. I watched that video, just a short clip about the identities of Ogenkere. It stated in that video that in US, somebody with double identity is one of the a well-known crime that you cannot even have anything to do with United States of America. And the question you should ask yourself is what name did Ogenkere use signing the document that lobby claimed that his name is there? Is it Isaiah Yogo or Ogechkunkere? What is his name? So in US, having fake identity is a very big crime, and they are trying to play it down and play it. So the question is, the lobby that have come to notice that it's already in their notice. They should know by now. Even if they were not aware of it in the past, by now it is no longer in news because Elias is very active on social media. So he must have seen Biafran dragging Ogenkere to tell us his real name. Until this day, they have not clear air on that. What their followers and his media do is to try to give every other person AKA. That's why he's now seeing serious that they would say in Nkechi Blessing, AKA Ngozi Blessing. Do you know this kind of nonsense, baseless argument? But that is not why we're here. I just want to highlight that for you, but because of the news, for you to see what it takes to communicate with the government of the world and the way it's been done. It's not about hatred on anybody, but saying it the way it is. Biafrans are here on comment section celebrating this news. We are not going to go through all the comments, but I will try my best to drag this video for you to see. Let me see if it's possible for you.
Moran Global Strategies, a big-time U.S. lobbying firm, and Armand Dabiri and Associates, a law firm, are working with a guy who's got two different identities. One day he's Ogechukwu Nkere. The next day he's Isaiah Harrison Anya Ogu. And guess what? They're pushing to get get the US to recognize the United States of Biafra, a country that just declared independence. Now, if that doesn't sound like trouble, I don't know what does. Right now and right here, let's give you the inside details. First, let's get one thing straight. In America, using a fake identity on legal documents is a big no-no. You could be charged with perjury if you lie on sworn documents or falsification of records if you put fake info on official forms. And this isn't some little slap on the wrist. This is serious. Let's take a real-world example. Remember the case of Anna Sorokin, the so-called fake heiress? She used a fake identity to scam banks and socialites, and it landed her in prison for years. The law doesn't mess around when it comes to stuff like this. Now, back to our guy, Ogain Kere, or should we call him Isaiah Harrison Anya Ogu? Here's the million-dollar question. What name did he use on the official documents submitted to the U.S. Department of Justice? Because if he used a fake name, it's not just him in trouble. The firms working with him, like Moran Global Strategies and Armand Dabiri, could be in deep water too. They say, when you dance with the devil, you're bound to get burned. Elias Garasulis, the head honcho at Moran Global Strategies, and Mr. Armand Dabiri, lawyer in the spotlight, are both in a sticky situation. Collaborating with someone using a fake identity, that's like building a house of cards in a windstorm. And here's a real-life example to drive it home. In 2017, a Russian lobbyist was caught using fake documents to influence U.S. policies. Fallout, massive fines, international embarrassment, and legal nightmares. It's no different here. If these firms knowingly went along with the lies, they could be looking at similar consequences. Here's why this matters. When you're playing the high-stakes game of international lobbying, trust and credibility are everything. Falsifying identities isn't just breaking the law, it's shaking the very foundation of the system. And as they say, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. If that link is fake, the whole chain falls apart. So what happens next? The U.S. Department of Justice is probably combing through every signature, every form, and every name tied to this case. If it turns out fake identities were used, the fallout could be massive. We're talking subpoenas, court hearings, and potential jail time for everyone involved.
So that is Ogain Kere for you, and that is what it means to have a double identity in US. But his followers, Sona Parawa, is busy threatening everybody that he's gonna sue you, you're gonna sue this, you're gonna. I watched his video saying that they are preparing, lawsuit against US, preparing lawsuit against everybody, even 247. They are saying all those things, knowing fully well that they themselves are, they are in for a take, because all they are doing is quite illegal. They have committed a lot. Biafrans are waiting just to see if they can repent, but they are the one pushing on, telling their followers how they're gonna sue this and sue that and do this and do that. Just like the recent accusation of treason, that COS have committed a treasonable offense by leaking the video of Vision 555 and bringing it to the public, just to prove that she knows what she was saying. They said that she have committed a treasonable offense. Some of you that are follow them must have seen, especially yesterday and the day before yesterday, all that program is titled leaking video and all that. The leaked video of Adadorama, yet they are the one to tell you that leaking video is treasonable offense. How is it treasonable offense when you yourself have committed more than what you claim that others have committed? But time will tell. You cannot, win case at home. You need to go to court to prove it beyond reasonable doubt for you to win the case. This is what it means to have double identity in US. What do you think? Like the video and tell me your own opinion. God bless you. Bye bye for now.